At a train maintenance center in Urumqi, capital of northwest China's Xinjiang, a multi-ethnic team of technicians have been working around the clock to ensure the safe operation of bullet trains. Uyghur technician Ezguli Tuniyazi is one of the first-generation rail flaw detection technicians in Xinjiang. Years of practical work have made her an expert in the field.
当时我们发现这个故障的时候是这个动车到新疆没多久，也是第一列，特别兴奋。经过我的手嘛，挺自豪、挺兴奋的。
Apart from the rail, the condition of wheels is also critical to the smooth running of trains. 36-year-old Alimu Yiming is a Kyrgyz technician at the center. His work is to ensure the wheels are round enough.
每一次送出一个动车组，我就感觉很自豪，就是每天为人们服务，然后做出单薄的贡献，我觉得很自豪。
The technicians are contributing their part to Xinjiang's development through hard work.
动车运用所的特色呢，就是各民族大团结的一个大家庭，大家在这个大家庭里面，共同努力，建立了深厚的友谊。我们在这个机械师的培养过程中呢，重点是培养人才，通过哪些手段呢？首先就是日常的培训、技术比武，继续会把这个好的传统继续传承下去。